I became a GoMining ambassador. This puts me in direct contact with a GoMining representative, meaning any questions you ask me about GoMining will be answered as an official response from the company. I also receive new daily rewards for my referral codes, including electricity fees from people who've used my referral code. Before I go on with the update, I just want to thank everybody who watches my videos. I do my best to give the best updates on these cloud mining apps, and this was a very cool reward. So in my opinion, the biggest update is they added some very easy tasks in the bounty program. This is an easy way to get some bounty points and some free GoMining tokens. This week, the task was to leave a comment on Reddit, which you'll receive 20 points for. If this were an active task, and as you can see mine has been completed, when you click on this, there will be a button that says Go to Task. This will bring you to their Telegram bot. So once you're in the Telegram bot, you'll see that step 1 says Join GoMining on Reddit and upvote. So if you have a Reddit account, just head over to GoMining, upvote it, come back to your Telegram bot, and then click where it says I joined and upvoted. Soon the bot will verify this and you move on to step 2. Step 2 is leave a comment and take a screenshot. So it says share your opinion by writing a thoughtful comment related to the post topic. Simple phrases like good or I don't know will not be accepted. And then take a screenshot of that comment. Once you've done that, come back to the Telegram bot and click I've left a comment. Again, once you've done that, the bot will verify this and send you step 3, which is uploading your screenshot. Which is pretty self-explanatory, just paste your screenshot and the bot will verify it, and we'll go to step 4. For step 4, we're going to head back to Reddit. You're going to share and copy your comment, and then paste the link to that comment back in the Telegram bot. And once you're done with that, you're all done. You'll receive a submission ID, and I received my rewards in about 6 hours. You can see that last week our task was to make a review on either the Apple App Store or Google Play, depending on which platform you use, and we received 50 points last week. I do plan to make a weekly short on how to get these easy GoMining tokens, so keep a lookout for that. So you do receive weekly rewards for these GoMining tokens, but I think it's important to note that the last week of this Epoch is coming up on Monday. And it's give me a second to load, and as you can see for this week, let's click on me. Oh, it looks like I'll receive 7.16 GoMining tokens as of now. But if we click on where it says week 31 and click all weeks, if it'll go, just give me 1 second, there it is. You'll see that at the end of May 26th, I'll receive 245 GoMining tokens. I've received 377 points through referrals and these weekly tasks. And, $107 worth of GoMining tokens is pretty much a year's worth of service at this point. One other important thing about holding GoMining tokens is that the more you hold, the higher your maintenance fee is reduced. My thought is there's going to be a new Epoch coming this Monday. If we stay on top of these weekly tasks, by the end of the next one, we could have a ton of GoMining tokens. Next is just a small interface change for referrals. Also adding a tab for ambassadors to show their extra ambassador rewards. Also, if you do want to apply to become an ambassador, this is the page you would come to apply at. You see where it says stay connected? Well, before that, that's where you would click to apply to become an ambassador. You'll take a short quiz. I missed one question, so you don't have to be perfect, and they still took me. When I made my first GoMining video, Bitcoin's price was $83,864 compared to the $111,159 it is as of the making of this video. So let's also take into account that a miner back then cost $21.99 and today it costs $25.99. But even with that miner price increase, the return on investment back then was 25.14. Now it's 37.49, which is obviously a drastic improvement. And the reason is twofold. Because the sats are worth more, it takes less sats to pay your maintenance and electricity fees, and then the sats you do receive are now worth more. As Bitcoin rises, the return on investment of these miners rises as well. But don't be surprised if the miner prices rise as Bitcoin goes up. Since it's been a little less than 2 months, I want to give you a quick update on my account. Back on April 3rd, I had 280,045 sats, which came out to $233.72 at Bitcoin's current price then. Now with a total of 311,870 sats, and Bitcoin's price obviously being much higher, I now have $346.54. My total investment in this app is around $450, so after about 14 months, I'm very happy with this return on investment. Over the next week, I'll be joining the new updated Miner Wars. There was an update to Miner Wars which allowed non-whales to go in and be competitive. So I'm going to check it out and see if my Bitcoin earnings are competitive to solo mining. The last time I tried it, it definitely was not worth it, but if they've updated it, it's worth giving it a shot, right? And I just want to thank everyone who's used my referral code. I have no doubt that this was the main reason I was chosen to become an ambassador. Also, remember, if you have any questions about GoMining, I'm in contact with a representative, so I can give you an official answer. And remember, if you do use my referral code, you get 5% cash back on your first miner purchase. You can see my referral code on the screen, and I've also linked it in the description. It's a great way to support the channel, and I deeply appreciate it. Otherwise, please like, subscribe, and share with a friend. This channel is starting to pick up some momentum, and it's all thanks to you watching. I appreciate you all for watching, and until next time, I'll see you up in the clouds.